Hey everyone, this is our IVR panel. PIP gives a user-friendly portal with your personalized user ID and password. We give you an option to select fancy and easy to remember virtual numbers, one which will be selected from your end for your IVR services and toll-free numbers for toll-free service. We also give you call detail reports. We also provide you the facility like call recordings, revert message, notifications on agent, fallback action, office hour configurations, etc. Apart from this, we also give agent login from where agent can trace their individual calls. This is your IVR credits, this one is your voice OBD credits, and this one is your revert SMS credits. And this is the most important, IVR service number. This is our dashboard. This includes last 24 hours call log details, your total calls, answered, missed, voicemail, click to call total, click to call answered. This is last 7 days call flow details, answered, unanswered on the basis of days. Then comes top 5 call activity details, which includes the numbers, call status, duration in seconds, call levels, and start time and date. Then comes last 5 account credit debit details, your transactions on date and credit and debit basis. Last 30 days log details. We have 4 panels in this: department wise, agent wise, call status wise, and analysis call. Department wise, then comes agent wise, your different agents, then call analysis on the basis of the caller, best, good and poor, and call status wise on the basis of the agent, answered and unanswered. Management, MIS, that means reports, and PBX. In admin management, you have the first option, manage user and agent. Here you will see account IDs, account type, usernames, names, mobile numbers, email ID, and entry date, and your status. An agent, we need account type, that means client and reseller, your account IDs, mobile number, name, mobile, email, EMP code, department and designation are not compulsory. Then your role, client agent client, that is, and is agent is very compulsory for your agent to be displayed in the departments. Then comes notifications for revert SMS. Here you will select your account ID, then your receiver level, then agent. In agent you can see alerts on missed calls, alerts on call hang up, and in caller you can see your messages like thank you for a response, thanks for calling. If you have different languages, then you have to select Unicode. Then you have an option for edit profile, from which you can edit your profiles, your details, and etc. And then you have the option for change password. You have to enter old password, then you have to confirm the new password. Then comes the PBX option. Here we have departments as the first option. Here you can see your department, your distribution policy, recorded calls, entry date, etc. By clicking on add, you can select your department, your account, department name, call distribution policy. First one is the least recent for the agent who receives the least calls. Then comes ring all for all your agents to receive the call. Then comes linear, which is on a priority basis, and then the random. Here you have to also select the record calls, your music class, and is priority agent for your agent to give the priorities. Here you can see the different departments created. If you want your agent to be displayed under the department, then you have to click on is agent option in the manage account user agent. Then click on assign agent. Then your agent name will be displayed. Then we have the option of IVR. For all your configurations for the interactive voice response. IVR name, your welcome prompts, which you can see from the voice prompts. Your DTMF inputs for 1, 2, 3 as well. Skip IVR option, invalid prompts, no response prompts, and max attempts prompts, for which you have to select 3 for your 3 max attempts. And then we have the option of voice prompts. Here you can add your voice prompts, which should be only in .wav format. Here you can add your voice prompts, choose them and then upload them. Then comes the office hour configurations. You have to select your account ID. DID number will be automatically displayed. Here we have the option of day, from, to, action and your welcome prompts. And then exception comes for your extra holidays. We have the option of blacklist and block number, cocktail services for adding all the services together like C2C, etc. Here we have the CRM connector for connecting the CRM of different clients. Then we have MIS for reports. First option we have the live call reports. Here you can see all the live calls. Then SMS detail reports for the reward notifications. Then your call detail reports, agent performance report, voicemails, call logs and CDR agent reports as well. Some of these reports are also available on the dashboard, like agent wise reports, department wise, call status wise, etc. So this was all about our IVR and toll-free services. Thank you.